Hey loves, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Happy Place, you guys. Today's video is going to be on this Afro kinky hair, and to achieve this hair I used the Darling Natural twist, and I got this in color 1. I also got it in 2 packs. In a pack you get 2 bundles, you guys. This is so good. Like, one bundle, and like I said, a bundle is 10 wraps. A bundle has 10 wraps in it, so this is just one bundle, and I just love how the hair is. The hair is just fluffy, you guys. It's not that hard or thick like normal twist extension. So this is just how it is. So I feel like cutting it off, I will cut it. If I don't feel like, I will just do it like that. But what I did, when I started, I didn't cut some, but as I was going, I started cutting it off into 2. So in a wrap I did like 5. I got like 5 or 4 or 5 pieces, you guys. So this is just how I separated everything, and I got 5. So before I started, I did some cornrows, and my cornrows, I got 6 cornrows, and also I have some leave out, you guys. Just look at the leave out. I did the leave out around my perimeter, and also I also did another one on the side section of my hair. So that is just it, you guys. So I started crocheting everything in my hair. So yeah, that is just it. When I finish crocheting, I will still come back and talk to you guys later. This is how one pack of the hair looks like right now. So it's almost getting full. So what I did was to go in with the second pack, and if you really want me to do a detailed crochet procedure, like the way you crochet, if you really want me to do that, just leave it in the comment section. Once I use this hair, I will see what I can do. So this is just me doing the normal crochet, and in some parts, like this particular one, in some areas I tied it into 2, that's 2 times. In some areas I did just one tying, you guys. So it depends on what works well for you. So if you like, you can tie it twice. If you like, you can just do it once. So yeah, that is just me doing it. And why I did it once or twice was because this is a kinky hair, and you guys know how tight kinky hair is. So it's not like, it's not a loose hair, it's a tight hair because of the texture. So that is why at times I do it once or twice. So yeah, that is just me doing the normal crochet, like I said. So if you really want me to show you how to do the crochet very well, just leave a comment down the comment section. I'll see what I can do about it. So this is how the hair looks like after the crocheting. So I went in to spray enough water, because anything that has to do with kinky, once you spray water on it, it will just relax a little. So I sprayed water on it, and also I added some leave-in conditioner that was gifted by my friend. You guys, this brand is a new brand. I think it's a Ghana brand, it's an African brand, you guys. So I went in with the leave-in conditioner, I finger detangled it a little, and I started sectioning my hair into 5 sections, and still sprayed water and the leave-in conditioner. This time around I finger detangled the hair very well. So I finger detangled the hair very well, you guys. So I trimmed the end, did everything I needed to do. When I finished one section, I twisted it out, and I made sure there was enough leave-in conditioner and also enough water for each section. So when I finished one section, I treated the end by cutting off the end, and I went in again to finger detangle more and more before twisting out the hair in twist out. So in all, what I got was 5 twist out, and that is just it. I went to bed with it because this was done in the night. So I went to bed with it by covering my hair with my satin bonnet. So in the morning was when I did the styling. The following morning, guys, the next morning, when I slept with this like this, the following morning I unwrapped the twist out. Just look at how fluffy this twist out, and it's so very easy to unravel, you guys. So my little secret, if you have a easy extension, especially when you see it, make sure you seal it with water and leave it on now overnight, because it helps to, it breaks down the hardness. You know how synthetic kinky hair used to be, it breaks down the hardness and makes it to be very soft and fluffy, and so easy to unravel. So this is just me doing my usual unraveling, you guys. So what I did was to just unravel the extension first of all before unraveling my perimeter. That's the leave out that I use. So yeah, talk to you guys later. Guys, the outcome was so awesome. So this is just how the hair came out. You fake it till you make it. That's the slogan. So you guys can even see my short natural hair over there. So what I did was I did another style that I wore out on that day. I've been having this hair for the past 5 days, you guys. So I did another style, and this is just the style I achieved. That's the advantage and what I love about this Afro hair, because you can style it anyhow you want to and go out with it anyhow you just want to. So that is just me styling the hair. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for everything. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.